Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream of Crafts. My name is Deanna and today I'm coming to you with my walkthrough for my Graphic 45 ABC Primer mini album. This album measures, oops, I gotta go backwards here. Sorry about that. 10 inches high by 8 1/4 inches wide, and it has a about 2.5 inch spine. So I've got just a hook closure here on the front. I have added the chipboard pieces here and the chipboard pieces here. Both of my spines are exactly alike. I just used the cardstock. This is a chipboard piece with a brad from my stash. On the back, I have added this chipboard piece from the collection, used this as part of the cutouts, and then I have added a note to the recipient of this, which is going to be my 6-year-old granddaughter's kindergarten teacher, and it's her Valentine's Day gift from the family. So we'll go ahead and open, and on the left side here we have a flip down magnet, and then this piece flips up. She can easily get a large photo here, almost probably an 8 by 10, I would. Let me see. Let me use my, see. So this is, I keep having it backwards. So it is 8 wide, or 7 7/8 wide. So she might have to cut it down a little bit by, I believe, 9 3/4, 9.5. So she would have to cut it down a little bit, but basically could get a 8 by 10 there. You flip this up, and it has that with one of the stickers mounted on black cardstock as decoration. This is a magnetized removable piece in the back. It's decorated. Another sticker from the sticker sheet that is mounted with black cardstock. And we have a waterfall here. So it's like that. And another one of the cut aparts. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the possibility for 16 photos on that. Belly band. And then the back of the belly band is also here. There we go. In this, for our first page, we have 3 pages. So first page is a tag, and this is just decorated in a patchwork pattern from scraps. I have one full piece of cardstock left, and I'm going to cut these apart and add them for her to use them for journaling or whatever. And then these are my 2 biggest pieces. Other than that, I have just tiny little strips and stuff. So, and I used a few pieces of additional Graphic 45 cardstock that coordinated, but were not from this collection. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 30, 35, 37, 43 full sheets of decorative cardstock. So I kept these just so I could count that. So 43 sheets of cardstock to decorate this album. So this is a gatefold. So it opens up like that. And then this is used to just hold it shut. Again, these are stickers from the sticker sheet, backed with black. Each one of the 3 sections has a tag that is done with the patchwork style. Okay, and I could add plenty of more tags, but literally this album is full, so I didn't want to keep adding things because I want her to have room for her pictures. Here we have a magnetized one of the cut aparts. I ended up having to put another magnet here, bigger magnet, to help keep this closed. So that is why there is a sticker here with a big magnet in. And then here as well, this is a pocket. We have another magnetized thing there. This opens up. You have an additional pocket here, another pocket here with a tag. And then I use 2 of these cut aparts for she can journal on them or do whatever she wants with them. And then I've included cut apart the stickers a little bit so they fit in here. But these are the leftover stickers for her to use as she wants. This is from the actual cover of the paper pack. So, and then here we have a flip up and a flip down with 4 more waterfalls that flip down. Each one of these has its own tag. Now these are good size pictures here, and they are 5 by 7. So that's a 5 by 7 area right there. So you got all that real estate there, plus here and here. And I just added brads from my stash and baker's twine. And then there's 3 of these little charms that dangle down, and they got quite a bit of weight to them. Each one has a heart on it, and on the back side, this one says love. Again, another tag in the pocket. It's done patchwork. Our next page, so the back of page 2, so page 2-2, we have a pocket that was made out of one of the cut aparts with 2 tags, and these are from actually the January Children's Hour. I just liked her reading to the little one, and then this one looked like the children playing in winter, so I thought that matched really good there. We have 3 different size tags here. Let me pull those out so you can see. So you got the 3 different size tags. I did not decorate the back, but you could. And I used my additional graphic 45 papers throughout. Like this is additional graphic 45 paper here. And I picked ones that would coordinate with, just because I wanted to make sure I did have enough of the collection itself to decorate with. And I'm glad I did it right at the beginning instead of trying to fill in with it at the end, because then it's mixed throughout and it's not noticeable. So we have a flip here. This is one of the stickers added to cardstock, and you can flip like this. Another piece of the decorative cardstock there, but I left it up so she could actually slip anything she wanted behind it. So you can go like this. Here's another one that's left open to slip behind. And then part of the stickers from the sticker sheet there. This goes this way. Another one of the fussy cut. That. This also will expand all the way out here like that, and then go all the way this way like that. And that is magnetized. And the last of the tags, there we go. On the back of page 3-2, we have a flip left here, top and a bottom, flip right, and lots of real estate here. Again, these are good size. These each are, my ruler keeps getting put upside down, 4 3/4 by 7 1/4. Plus all this restitch. Again, these are not tacked down all the way. She can slide right underneath there. Magnetize. There are 2 of these pockets. Here's the other 2 charms. This one says Dream. This one says Unique. They are both the same. They are expandable pockets. So I'm only going to open one. And these expand out to add a bunch of additional photos. And then the closure itself is kind of like a roll top desk, so it can. That is it for the album. I hope you like it. Give it a try. Thumbs up is always appreciated. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so at this time. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down in the right-hand corner. A bell will pop up. If you hit the bell, you can be notified each time I put up a new video. As always, I wish you and your family many, many blessings. Hugs to you all. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.